Welcome to another hairy adventure. On today's episode, I got my dog, I've got my dirt bicycle, and I've got my drone. So we're gonna combine all three, see what happens. What do you think? You ready to go? You ready to go ride mountain bikes? He loves riding mountain bikes. I actually got the camera set up on the back of the bike today. I got the GoPro with me today, so we'll see what happens. All right. We're all geared up. We're out on the trail. Got the doggy with me. Today's goal is to ride some mountain bikes, get some drone footage, and we're actually testing out a seat post mount for an extra GoPro that I have to see if we can get the doggo running down and doing some jumps. So yeah, I'm gonna stick this up on my helmet because I actually brought the mount with me today. We're gonna do some pedaling while he's got some energy and go find some downhills real quick, and then we'll get the drone out. All right, so this is Woodson. Woodson's a golden doodle, firstborn fluff to me and my wife. He's, I don't know, 3-4 years old now. It's a little warmer today, so he's gonna be dragging his tongue. He just got a haircut though, but he a lazy dog. So he's pretty good off leash. He likes following me around the house, and he loves, actually recently figured out he loves coming to go mountain bike with me. So I try to every once in a while drag him out down to the trails. We don't do public trails, we do primarily private stuff. So whoa. So I got the dog mount with me today. That's probably just a shot on my crotch, but whatever. It's attached to the seat post. I don't like, got those two dudes, my inner thighs are rubbing on it, so we'll have to figure that out. Also, the mount's a little weak. It's a cheap Amazon mount, so we'll have to fix that up. And it's also probably going to be some mud on the screen, so I'll have to remind myself to clear it off. So doggo's back there. He's taking his time, just taking his sweet time today. That's fine. We'll have to do a water stop soon before we do some downhills. He loves doing the jumps. He just follows right in line with me. Pretty cool. Trails are a little damp today. We got a lot of rain last week, but we're approaching springtime, so we're starting to get a little bit of greens. Just the beginning of the greens. It'll be really cool here in a few weeks. We'll see if we can do this one-handed. Nice, very nice. Oh, good job, buddy. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise along. All right, got a little downhill here. Let's see how she goes. Good job, buddy. He loves this single track trail. I started him pretty young, just hiking through these trails, and notice he caught on pretty quick to figuring out where to go. Alright. Alright. Here's the trail we're gonna come down. Go across the creek. We'll see if he does the jump or not. I'm gonna give him a good break at the top here. Give him some water. Get rested up. Yeah, he loves it. Now I'm not gonna go full pace down it. I wanna get him on the camera as much as I can, so yeah, pretty cool little spot. Need to bring the trials bike out here. What do you think? You loving it? I know you are. Alright, proof that I love my dog. Yeah, there you go, buddy. I kind of like this Soita, whatever bottle thing. It's easy, fits in bottle holders. Just drink out of that, dude. He's gotten pretty used to it. I do wish it flowed a little faster. Maybe I need to get my drill out and drill a little bit bigger hole. So we're at the top here. We're gonna drop in, go hit that jump, and we'll see what he does. We're gonna give him a break first though. I'm actually gonna take his collar off of him. The thing looks heavy. Good boy. Yep. Getting ready to do the downhill here. He's actually done this downhill before, so I know he can do it. I just can't remember if he crossed the creek or not. If he doesn't, it's all good. I won't ditch him. Come here, bub. Come here. You gotta get behind the bike. Come here, right here. Right here. Okay. All right. Here we go, Bubba. He didn't jump it. All right. Maybe that was a... Oh, he made it. Come on, buddy. We've got another... Good job, dude. Oh, the camera did go down a little bit. Ah, dang. Oh, I'm sure it did that after the... Oh, I didn't hit record. We gotta do it again. Oh, bummer. I forgot to hit record, bud. We gotta go up again. Alright, forgot to hit record. The light is on though, alright? Come here. You gotta get behind me. Come here. Come here. Watch out. We're doing the same thing though. I'll go slower. I ran away from you last time. Alright, we're gonna hit the jump, buddy. Oh, he did jump. Oh, he did jump. Nice, bud. All right, we gotta jump this. We're gonna wheelie down it. Oh, nice. Oh, good job, buddy. Should we do this over here? I forgot if there's an easy exit. Yeah. Let's climb up and do this. Normally I come down here, but I'll come down this for him. Just for today. Alright, we're back at the top. I hit play on that one. I need to fix the mount a little bit for his camera. It's a little floppy. We'll fix that. I also realized that it'd be super rad to get some like stationary shots of him jumping off of it, because he does actually go over the jump. But it's a little warmer out today, and I don't want to exert him. We're gonna do this cool little downhill right here after he cools off a little bit, and then we're gonna get into trying to find a spot for the drone. So tired. You panting? Bet you a good boy. You want some more waters? You want some more waters? There you go, attaboy. Yeah, you might burn through all your water. But I kind of have to reserve a little bit, start heading back towards the truck. All right, say, catch me on this next trail. How about that? All right, it's going. He's ready. We're gonna head down this trail. It's got some cool little jumps here and there, but we're not gonna be doing the doubles. All right, buddy? Watch out now. Oh, we'll do this one. We're not doing that one. Oh, we're doing the big drop though. What are you doing? No, no, no. Oh, geez. What are you doing? That's not the way, dude. The trail's over here, mate. Well, your camera hung in there. Did you do the big drop? Kind of doubt it. All right, well, let's keep going. Oh, you're leading? Go faster. You can lead, just go faster. Well, that was kind of cool. Time to get the drone out. Oh, I'll go find a couple cool spots. Drone it up. Drone it up. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that was a wet one. Drone it up. This would be such a cool little creek to take the trials bike to. Excuse me. What are you doing? Does this spot look droney enough for you? Huh? Let's try it. Let's try it. All right, I'm gonna move that guy down a little bit there. All right, so I've got my little drone. We're gonna get it set up here in a second. I'm gonna get my goggles turned on. And my controller. And we're gonna set this dude up. All right. Woodson, you gotta stay. You can't go anywhere, okay? We gotta find a place for this dude to take off. All right, let's try this. Okay. All right, we're gonna go arm. Okay, we're moving. Here we go. I can't remember what angle I had on the camera on this dude, so the other problem I have is it's so hard to move slow with this one. Oop. And I can't see the sticks either. So I don't know how cool the footage is gonna be, but let's go up here. This thing's kind of gnarly. Oh, somebody's got a little trail. Oh, I remember what trail this is. It goes over to the rock. And we're gonna come down. Oh, it's going so fast. It'd actually go way faster than this, but I don't want to lose it here. Start losing. All right, busting up through the trees. Oh, look at that greenery. That's beautiful, dude. We're just gonna kind of zoom through the trees here. Now the problem is, I don't know if I can get back through the trees. I gotta find a spot. Oh. Oh, just narrowly getting through the trees there. That's pretty dope. All right. We're gonna make another run back through here. Kind of low to the ground. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, there's the doggy. Hey, doggy. All right, see what the damage here is. Oh, she's good. She's real good. Nice. This thing's actually kind of a tank. Okay. Dig out some of the nastiness here. She took a digger. Oh no! I split the prop. And I don't have extra props with me right now. What a dodo. Actually, that whole arm is toast. Oh, look, you can see it's bent. Oh, well, okay. That's that. Dang it, Woodson. I really wanted, this really wasn't the spot I was trying to capture. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew I was gonna come out here in the woods, I was gonna hit a tree. That's okay. To be continued on another day. I will not accept defeat like that. I do have another drone actually. And the other drone has prop guards on it, so we could, in theory, bring that next time. But it's not as much of a tank as this thing is. Okay. We're gonna jump back on the bike. We'll see you in a second. Well, such is life. Such is drone life. Like I even live that life. I got into drones because I can fly them in my backyard. And it's actually super cool to kind of just zip around and check things out. And I actually like to do a little bit of freestyle. I'm not that great at it, obviously, but we're getting better. So parts are pretty cheap for the most part. Unfortunately, they all got to come from other parts of the world. I won't say where, but we'll get it figured out. But I wanted to super zoom through all this like I was gliding through the trees. Actually, there's a creek next to me that I wanted to go over and try to lose the drone in the water. So, but all good. Woodson's back there, just chilling. We're gonna keep on munching on. Come on, buddy. We'll go around to the south side. Ooh, this sand down here, dude, on the dirt bike. Whoop. So nice. All right. There you go, buddy. Right here. We're at the top of our last downhill. He's pretty worn out, and I'm out of water for him. I know I have my water, but it's got sugar in it, so yeah, you don't need that. Ooh, I can smell the two-stroke. Very nice. Oh, you're good. I was just saying hi real quick. How you? All right. Outstanding citizens of the mountain bike world. Cutting up a down tree in the middle of the trail. It's a big tree too, and kind of dangerous. So, pumped on that. Right, Woodson? Yeah. All right, well, I think I'm gonna end it here because we've got to climb up to the truck, and that's about it. So if you made it this far, thanks for tuning in, appreciate it. That will not be the end of drones, dirt bicycles, and dogs, otherwise known as Hairy Venture. So, yeah. Thank you.